Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to block some friends on Snapchat, or in Snapchat, how to block friends. So let's go there to our Snapchat application. So once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to your DM section or your friend list, whatever you can say. Keep tapped on a conversation or a friend that you want to block, and then this layout will appear in front of you. Then go to manage friendship, and here you will find this layout of block, report, or remove friends. So if you just remove friend, they will be removed from your friend list, but they won't be blocked. They can send you friend request again on Snapchat. So what we need to do is to block them. So click on block, and this layout will come. Are you sure you want to block this person? Then you have to just tap on block, and your account will be in your account, this specific friend will be blocked. So yeah, this is how you can block someone on Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.